How to recover TikTok account without email or phone number. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the secret way on how to recover a TikTok account without email or phone number. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into the TikTok app on my phone. So let's say that I want to recover this account right here, and I have forgotten the email address and also the phone number to this account. What I need to do first is to create a whole new TikTok account to begin with. Keep watching because I will show you exactly why you need to do this. As you can see, I now have created a new TikTok account. After I have done that, then I will need to click on this tri-bar symbol in the top right corner. Then click on Settings. After that, we need to scroll down until we can see where it says Report a Problem. So click here. Then scroll down a little bit and click on Account and Profile. When you have clicked here, then you will need to click where it says Log In. In here, we need to click Forgot Password. Now click on No, then click on Need More Help. When you have come to this page, then you now have a chance to recover your TikTok account without email and phone number. What you can do is to click here, and then if you do have any evidence whatsoever of you owning that account that you want to recover, then you can submit some photo evidence to them. You can submit up to 4 photos. So if you're able to find some photos that can actually prove that you're the owner of the account, then make sure to include it in this report. You can submit a video also by clicking here if you have a video that maybe can also prove that you own the account. So when you're done, then you need to write something like this. I have forgotten my password and email to my account, and then write the username for your account. Please check the photos that I have linked to you. I can prove that I am the owner for that account. I am looking forward to receive a response from you. Basically, write something like that. And of course, you don't have to write exactly like this. Just make sure that you're upfront with TikTok on what the issue is. When you're done, then click where it says Report. It usually takes about 1 to 3 business days for TikTok to respond back to you, but sometimes it can take longer than that. So I hope that this will be able to fix this. Let me know in the comments below if you have questions. I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also, don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you a great day.